Here's something Kajabi just added to every account. And if you've been sitting on the idea of starting an online business, this is the thing that removes the last obstacle you had. They built an AI called Cofounder, and it's not a chatbot. It's an AI business partner that interviews you, learns your expertise, and tells you exactly what to build, how to price it, how to sell it on day one. The blank page problem gone. In this video, I'm going to break down what Cofounder actually does, why this matters more than any sales promo Kajabi has ever run, and how to get full platform access for 3 months for Kajabi for one payment of $99. If I'm being honest, I've been recommending Kajabi for years, and I've watched good people stall out at the starting line because they didn't know where to begin. That changes now. I've been a huge fan of Kajabi for years. It's how I run my entire multiple six-figure online business. Courses, coaching, email payments, all under one roof. And I've recommended it to a lot of people and watched them go from zero to real businesses on this platform, making real money. So when Kajabi does something new, I pay close attention. And this is why it's worth your full attention too. And before I get into it, I'm gonna give you the end from the beginning. You get 3 months of Kajabi for $99 when you use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You're gonna get all of my bonuses, all 3 exclusive bonuses, a course called the Kajabi Accelerator, my top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, which is my exclusive masterclass that helps you get the best start by avoiding the mistakes that I saw about 400 people making when I interviewed them after they got onto Kajabi. And you get my 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours for free when you use my link. And you get to start on Kajabi for $99, one payment for 3 months, and you get access to Cofounder, which I'm about to tell you about. That is going to accelerate your start on Kajabi. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. It's where you get all of that. So let's talk about what Cofounder actually is and what it's not. It's not a chatbot that spits out generic advice like what ChatGPT would do. And it's also not a template generator. It's not a tool that just answers questions. Cofounder actually interviews you. It asks you what you know, who you want to help, what problems you solve, and then it helps you build a real offer around your actual experience and expertise. Think about what that means for someone who's been spinning their wheels on kind of like, I don't know what my niche is, or I don't know how to price my course. These aren't platform problems, they're clarity problems. And I've talked to so many people who have those kinds of clarity problems. Cofounder solves the clarity problem before they ever even begin to build a single page. I spent the first few months of my business trying to figure out what to sell. I had the platform, I had the idea, but I had no idea how to turn it into a real offer that makes real money. If Cofounder had existed back then, I would have launched in weeks instead of months. And I'm not exaggerating. Kajabi's seeing this in the data. People who onboard with Cofounder take significantly more action in their first week. They don't get stuck. They start building. Okay, now here's the offer, and I want to frame it correctly because Kajabi is very clear about this. This is not a sale. It's not a discount. It's a 3-month on-ramp. It's designed to give you the runway to actually build something real. So you get the full platform of Kajabi. You get access to everything, every feature, courses, coaching, communities, email marketing, checkout, the whole thing, payment processor, all of it. Cofounder is included from day one for one payment of $99, 3 months of access. Not $99 a month, not a trial period, just one payment, 3 months. And I've seen a lot of promos over the years. This is different. 3 months is actually enough time to build something great, to get your first sale and to know whether or not this is for you. And that's really all that most people need. After the 3 months, you move to the Kajabi basic plan at $179 a month. By that point, the goal is your business is making more than $179 a month. That's the whole design of it. And by that point, you know if it's going to work and you've only actually invested $99 one time and gotten 3 months of full access. Here's what I've learned from watching people build online businesses. Most people don't fail because the platform is bad. They fail because they run out of time before they build momentum. They sign up for a free trial, 2 weeks fly by, 2 more weeks fly by, they're still trying to figure out what their offer is, the trial ends, they didn't launch, and now they're telling themselves, maybe I'm not ready. That's not a readiness problem as much as that's a direction problem, a clarity problem. And this offer solves both. Like you've got 90 days, you've got an AI business partner helping you get clear from day one on what you want to do. The only thing left is whether you're going to show up and do the work. And this is actually the part that no one talks about because the platform doesn't do the work for you. And I've talked to a lot of people about this with Kajabi. No platform does it for you. But Cofounder doesn't either, but when you're not stuck on what to build, when that clarity is there from the very first day, showing up gets a whole lot easier. And the assistance that Cofounder is going to give you is going to blow you away. This is for you if you've had the idea for a course or a coaching program or a community for a while and you keep waiting until you feel ready. You've looked at Kajabi before, but the monthly cost felt like too much, especially at first when you didn't know if it's going to work or not. And it's for you if you've started and stalled and you need a real runway this time, not a 2-week trial, and maybe not even the 30-day trial that I actually have still available. So the question is whether you're going to treat these 3 months like the real start that it is and not just a $99 discount. By the way, if you still want to do the 30-day free trial instead, it's all at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You can find both this $99 3-month on-ramp and the 30-day free trial. It's all there for you. Go there, get your trial started. And what's really cool is you've got 90 days to build out your business with Cofounder helping. And this playlist right here will guide you through the process as well. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.